everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we add backup camera to a 2015 Audi A5. Car didn't come with backup camera and it's a manual transmission. So that's where we put the camera. The difference is when it's manual, so we have to trigger it from the reverse light, and also need to add relay to the camera to stabilize the picture quality. So by going to reverse, the screen shifts to backup camera and still comes with dynamic parking guidelines. So by turning the steering wheel, the dynamic guidelines turn too. And going to park, it goes back to original MMI. If you're interested to get these type of backup cameras, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca. That's in our backup camera interface section. And if you need installation, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, and you can book your appointment. Thank you and have a great day.